teachers. I wanted to take you into Buzz today to show you different curriculum resources that you have available for your use. The different resources I wanted to start with were your course links. I wanted to highlight 7 important course links that are in most math courses at the high school level. ALEKS is now a link that students can go to anytime they log into Buzz. We also have a variety of online textbooks that are linked in the Call to Action folder in Buzz, which we'll go to in a minute. In addition, there are also 2 math toolkits. These contain online manipulatives for the students to use when they're solving problems. Finally, we have our NetTrekker course link, where students can find more practice problems and other ways to learn their topics. And we recently added an ACT PS pathway, or Performance Series pathway. This takes students right into their Performance Series path for more practice on what they need to know, based on their most recent assessment. Okay, so now that you've seen the course links that are available to math students, let's go find them in a student's course. I've logged into Buzz and I've selected my high school math course, Algebra 1. I'm going to click Unit 1 and click Go. Now, you'll notice our course links are over here on the right. These links will be available throughout the entire course. If students click on the first link, ALEKS, that will take them right to the ALEKS login screen where they can begin working on their topics. The second 2 items under course links are those Compass Learning Math Toolkits. Let's click on those now. Math Toolkit number 1 contains a calculator for students to use and a conversion chart for helpful formulas that students may need in high school math. If you click on Math Toolkit 2, you'll see a wide range of digital manipulatives for the students to use. Again, students can plug in their problems to these different resources to help them solve whatever they're working on. We have base 10 blocks, a graphing mechanism, data representation, even fraction strips where students can digitally make their own fractions. These are available again throughout any math high school course for students to use in their problem solving. You'll want to make sure that you look over in the course items for your online textbook. Here in Algebra 1, it's labeled Holt McDougall Online Textbook. You can click right on that link to see the online textbook. You'll need to click the blue link to load the textbook. And here's what a sample math online textbook looks like for high school. Again, this is the Algebra 1 online textbook. You'll see that you have a Teacher's Resources tab. You also have the traditional book pages, and you have other practice opportunities and videos for the students to watch. These videos include tutorials and interactive materials for the students to understand the math principles even better. Okay, now that you've seen the ALEKS course link, the online textbook link, and our 2 math toolkits, I wanted to explore the NetTrekker link next. Let's go there. To access NetTrekker, all students need to do is click the NetTrekker search library under course items in the right. This will take them directly to NetTrekker, and NetTrekker should load automatically without a login. Once NetTrekker loads, students can search for any activity or learning standard that they're working on. This can be an excellent opportunity for additional practice if students need other ways to learn, practice, or apply based on their learning target. They simply enter their learning target here into the search bar and click Search, and up will come a variety of activities based on that standard. Be aware that you can also switch from different age bands, elementary, middle, and high school, depending on the student's level in the upper left. The final course link I wanted to make you aware of is the ACT pathway link. In some high school math courses, this may be labeled as the PS pathway. That, again, is under course items in the right-hand side of a student's Buzz. When a student clicks that pathway, they will be directed right to their personalized learning path. This learning path is based on their latest Performance Series test. Here, again, is another opportunity for students to have further practice on the areas where they need to learn more. For math, they would simply click the math assignments right here. Alright, there are two additional resources that I wanted to point your attention to that are located in the PD folder in your teacher version of Buzz. Those are a target tracker for the Math Common Core standards pertinent to your class, whether it be Algebra 1 or Pre-Calc. There's a standard tracker in your PD folder. There are also additional Compass learning resources for you to use in your class. Let's explore those right now. Okay, I've pulled up a teacher's syllabus in Buzz under the Syllabus tab. To find those two resources, you need to go to Unit 1. Here in Algebra 1, it's labeled Introduction to Algebra. In any other Math High School course, simply go to the unit at the top of your syllabus list. That's Unit 1. Now, you need to find the folder labeled PD. Click the little white arrow to open it. And at the bottom, you'll see the target tracker. Here it is, Standard Tracker for Algebra 1. To look at it, you click the tracker once, and then you click Preview. Here, a link will appear, which you can load. Here is the Standard Tracker for Algebra 1. It lists all the Common Core standards students must master in an Algebra 1 course. This is a great planning tool for you, the teachers, and it's a great tool to print off and give to your students so they can monitor their progress as they're mastering each one of these standards and know how close they are to finishing the course. The final resource I wanted to point out to you in your PD folder is a folder called Compass Resources. Again, if you open this folder, you'll see that you have a scope and sequence for this course from Compass Learning and the content they provide us in Buzz, and you have additional project ideas and links for teachers to use for their high school math classes. Again, these are just great additional resources to really beef up your curriculum in high school math. Alright, high school math teachers, now you know that there's a great variety of course links and resources in your PD folders to have enriched experiences with your students. Get exploring!